Hi guys, I know you've all been wondering how to fix your MacBook flickering screen. Well, this is a how-to to fix it. I wasn't able to find another MacBook with this problem, but this one has the problem and I already fixed it. Things you will need is a MacBook, obviously, with the problem, a heat gun, and obviously some screwdrivers to open your MacBook. So there's a lot of tutorials on how to get the logic board out and that kind of stuff. I'm just gonna explain to you how to fix the flickering screen. Okay, first you have to open your MacBook. Okay, now it's open. You need to remove the logic board from the MacBook. Since this one is already fixed, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna post a link on how to do it on the description below. So basically what you need to do is take the logic board out. Everything, the logic board, completely, this piece. Once you have it out, you have to use your heat gun for about 3 minutes in here, this little piece here. This is the monitor connector to the logic board. The flickering screen is happening because the poor connection between this and the logic board. So what you have to do is refix this by using a heat gun. Remember, this isn't for noobs. This is intended for guys with experiences using heat guns and fixing electronics. You have to use your heat gun for about 3 minutes here, but you have to first use it on all the logic board so it gets all warm up, and then here. If you don't do this, if you don't take the logic board out, you will burn something in the computer, like the keyboards, this piece here. So please take it out. So that's basically how you fix the flickering screen. So I'm glad I could help you. Please post your comments below.